are working with Stellar with the Tascom Bank, which is one of the oldest commercial banks in the Ukraine.
I do think we're making good progress in changing that. I really do. And this could be soon as well. I think we're going to another system.
The real estate industry, there's a central counterparty that commutes trust of a transaction. You buy title insurance and all these things. I think any industry that has a consequential central counterparty that's extracting tolls and slowing transactions down is at risk from how blockchain technologies can impact those industries.
Right now is Ripple is the clear winner. Ripple is the clear winner.
You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
If you got a bag, welcome to the party. Welcome back to some more Moon O'Clock news. No breakfast, no coffee, just straight extra bullishness. Shout out to the latest sub, Jason White in the building. Appreciate you stopping by. Go ahead, throw on those pilot shades. Buckle up, because the future's extra bright. And let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. We got the total global cryptocurrency market cap down 1.5% in the past 24 hours, right around 1.15 trillion. We got XRP in that number 6 spot, right around 40 cents, up about 0.7% in the past hour, down about 2.3 in the past 24. We got BTC right under 24K, ETH 1700, and we got Stellar XLM in the number 29 spot, about 12 cents, down about 2.3% in the past 24. Taking a look at the altcoin season index, surprisingly, we are still pushing up into the altcoin season, currently at a 55. You can see we've been bouncing around in the low 20s, teens. Now we're bouncing back up here, up into altcoin season. We still need about 20 more points for it to be a full-blown altcoin season. Ripple says financial players that don't have easy access to tech or capital resources to integrate crypto shouldn't be excluded from the benefits of technology. Learn how Ripple's liquidity hub will enable businesses to take full advantage of crypto running on the XRP ledger. Anders X at 220 Ripple effectively solved the volatility issue of a customer's holding XRP in a clever way. Huge. The way it's solved is that the customers has a wallet with XRP, but they don't own the XRP until it's used. There's more.
The wallets of our senders. And we'll basically place XRP in those wallets until you're ready to use it. You don't own the XRP until you use it. So that's a really important thing to call out, because as we fund those wallets, Ripple still effectively owns the XRP in that wallet, which means that there's no volatility. You're not subject to the volatility in XRP. The only time that XRP is used is when a transaction moves over the network. So step one on wallet send is that Ripple funds that wallet with XRP. When you're ready to actually make a payment over the network, we basically take the XRP out of that wallet and we send it to a receiver exchange. That exchange then exchanges that XRP into local fiat, and that local fiat is delivered to our receiving partners. And once that actually occurs, then it's sent out to the beneficiaries. Reason why this is important, again, is because you don't have any pre-funding mechanism on the front end. You don't have any pre-funding mechanism on the back end. And ultimately, what we do is we'll invoice you at a few days later for the sale of that XRP. And so that XRP is done on a spot rate basis. And so in real time, as you're actually about to initiate the payment, we'll give you a quote for what that USD or EUR or whatever your home currency is, conversion into XRP, and then we'll move that over the XRP ledger, make that conversion into destination fiat. Scale.
All roads lead to the bridge asset, XRP. Interoperability will be key. SEC who? Watch Guru says Ripple says they have been buying XRP off the secondary market and expect to continue doing so. Digital asset investor, dirty little crypto secret. There are plenty large handful of leaders in the crypto who have always known who Satoshi is and also knew that Ethereum will get a regulatory free pass and have made billions on this knowledge, much of which was taken from the retail who knew none of it. I agree, and they're still saying screw the SEC when Ethereum lawsuit.
Ether did not grow in value because people are paying for gas and to create crypto kitties, right? Ether grew in value because it became a reserve currency for this distributed central bank that circumvented the public securities offering process. And it was basically for people that said, screw the SEC.
Library.com says, blow the whistle, Hester Pierce. Crypto Eddie, managing director, Sandy Young, fields a price question about XRP in regards to its performance as a bridge currency. HODL to HODL.
How important is it that XRP stays one of the top tokens for this to work?
Yeah. So, I mean, again, I would say we're not, really so much focused on the particular sort of price of XRP or the volatility or any other coin particularly.
That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it has a higher or lower market cap.
So if we look at our, again, on the on-demand liquidity solution, RippleNet, where we're using XRP as a bridge currency, right, to move fiat, around the world, right? That is, regardless of the price of XRP.
All that matters is how many there are. Doesn't matter what the price is.
It's a bridge that we are using as a bridge. So it's not, we're not here really to honestly like speculate and it's a means to an end, it's a means to bring that efficiency to the market. So and again, I mean, when these things happen, obviously like prices drop, etc. For me, what's interesting is when I talk to one of our customers, partners, and the benefits they see, right? A customer, Asmo is a great example. So one of the big remittance companies, when they can enable their payments, Filipino worker paying, from the UK, sending money to their family to pay for food or housing or hospital or whatever it is, and they can do that at a fraction of the cost. At that for me is where the big value is, as opposed to how much XRP is in circulation or not, and I mean.
Well, good. Right on.
Crypto Bull 2020 in the United Kingdom and many other countries, XRP has been deemed not a security. The only reason this hasn't happened in the USA yet is because of the corrupt SEC and special interest groups within the SEC. But we got the evidence. Ripple has the A-team. Get those gel cells and get those jumpsuits ready. Mark EB says, you guys know exactly what's being talked about. Valhill Capital Advisory, managing the transition to a new asset-backed digital economy. There's a way to get rid of the debt and change the financial system.
If you were to be elected, obviously you're not running for anything, but to just say, I'm going to make this happen for the world because of, what would it be and why?
Great question again. I would say the one thing I would change for the greater good is the financial system. Mm-hmm. The whole financial system has been set up to serve the 0.0001% of the world. Mm-hmm. It doesn't serve the people.
Right.
On purpose. This is specifically done that way. So, I would say that, and I do think we're making good progress in changing that. I really do. And this could be soon as well. I think we're going to another system.
We're going to a new system, but first they got to shake you out because they don't want you part of the new 1% XRP coming to level the playing fields and take back that top spot. Load up while you still have some time. XRP. Alex Cobb says, why were there 38 SEC officials involved in a Hinman email chain Ethereum speech? Doesn't sound like personal opinion to me. Sounds like it was planned. Rafter K, the Payment Association, has digital currency education project backed by MC, seeking to produce thought leadership content in which they distinguish XRP stablecoins from volatile assets like BTC, how Bitcoin/volatile assets differ to XRP/stablecoins. Example, the difference between consumer-facing application and treasury management. The Cryptic Couple says, Brad Gardenhouse seems to know where we're headed. Will Proppy Inc. provide the foundation for real estate market to participate in the Internet of Value?
Settlement of transactions for the real estate industry are like the costs involved, the title insurance, like it's crazy how much it costs. There's a very cool company called Proppy, which is relatively small right now, trying to basically tokenize real estate transactions. So if you own a home, you own an apartment, you own hypothetically a building, and you can even fractionalize the building ownership. It's just an area that I find super interesting. The amount of friction where it hasn't kept up with the efficiencies of technology, I think, is an interesting one. And I use that example because it's not one that Ripple's likely to go work on.
Yeah.
But look, there are a whole bunch of things. If the magic and novelty of a blockchain is to allow two parties to transact with certainty, but without trust, you don't have to have the trust. Now, today we commute trust through a central counterparty. And that central counterparty in correspondent banking is that correspondent bank, and that's for cross-border payments. And Ripple's focus there. But if you're in the real estate industry, there's a central counterparty that commutes trust of a transaction, and you buy title insurance and all these things. I think any industry that has a consequential central counterparty that's extracting tolls and slowing transactions down is at risk from how blockchain technologies can impact those industries.
New insight, Stellar.org is used in Ukraine.
Out of the public projects that we have today, Stellar is used in the Ukraine. So that's the only one that's made public so far. We are working with Stellar with the Tascom Bank, which is one of the oldest commercial banks in the Ukraine, on the e-hryvnia. It's basically a stable coin that is an extension of the initial work that was done over the past few years with the National Bank of Ukraine. Throughout this project, the National Bank of Ukraine is overseeing and trying to draw some learnings from the project, as well as the Ministry of Digital Transformation. So we're working very closely with them on that. We're quite excited about what the Stellar blockchain has to provide, where it is public, while also having the right level of controls that are required for licensed institutions like Tascom Bank or central.
The StakeX version 2 protocol can now successfully complete 30,000 transactions in an hour. This not only increases the speed of our daily distributions, but also significantly improves scalability of the StakeX protocol. Are you using StakeX version 2? Riz XRP for me right now. Ripple XRP is the clear winner.
Right now is Ripple is the clear winner. Right now is Ripple is the clear winner.
And with that being said, Bagman and Bag Ladies, top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. And even with all the FUD, the SEC lawsuit, XRP being a banker's coin, Ripple being centralized, XRP being centralized, XRP still somehow, some way, after all this time, still in the top 10. You know what's coming. We know what's coming, and they can't stop it. Load up while you still have some time. XRP, 39, 40 cents. The opportunity of multiple lifetimes still at hand. Where will you be when that rocket takes flight? I am the XRP Bagman, the Moon Commander, currently up here on the mothership, stuffing some bags and enjoying the show. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing those likes for some more Moon O'Clock News. Hope y'all continue to stay extra bullish out there. Continue holding those good vibes. Remember to sell the FUD, buy up that bag, and don't forget to spread that liquid love. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a subscribe, drop a comment down below. All the OGs, drop a comment down below and drop an elbow on that like button, and we'll catch you up here on the mothership for the Moon Party. BYOB, be your own bank. Peace out, Crypto Ghost.
And when we blow, ain't no told you so's. I'm a big ghost. I'm a big ghost. We hold the gold. I be super bullish like the bearable bull. My lifeboat full, ready for the big boom. Astronaut suit, headed for the moon. With my HODL gang crew, had the 2020 vision, yeah we all knew. Now we pulling up in something brand new. New house on the avenue, beach house and cabin too. Normally I don't flex, but I had to go all out.